Sup guys, it's Gummy Bear. We're going to be making a Nom Nom out of Play-Doh. So what you need is any Play-Doh you want. I'm gonna be using yellow. Let me take it out. I think I'm gonna be making a big one. So let me just roll it up in a ball. Rolling piece up into a ball. Then squishing it a little bit until you make like a circle shape that's squished. Now I'm gonna be using some white. We're gonna take the white, take a piece of it, and we're going to be doing that. Then just putting it on there, like so. Now, since I'm making a macaroon, I'm going to be taking another piece of yellow Play-Doh. And again, you can use any Play-Doh you want, any color. So I'm going to be rolling it up and just sticking it on there, like so. But if it's not where you can see only a little bit of it, don't worry. You can take some pieces and just going around making dots and stuff, making the cream. Or you can take a big line, roll it, stick it around there. Now I'm going to be using some toothpicks. You can make little designs on there. If you have a Nom Nom, you can just look at it and see what you can do. It doesn't really matter how you do them. In other videos, they go really fast. I'm just gonna take my time so you can see it. I watch videos too how to make stuff. Now that's how I did it so far. So now I'm gonna look at my Nom Nom and I'm gonna be taking a piece of yellow clay and doing the same thing I did. I'm going to be rolling it. And it can be as thin as you want, it doesn't really matter. Put it around there. And do the same thing and just make the same marks. Yeah, so you just do the same. This is what I did so far. And now we're going to take some more of the clay. Mine is going to be a bunny. Just gonna put little ears on it. Just one more ear. You don't have to do this, but I want to. So I'm just gonna make a little bow for it. I'm using green. You can use any colors you want. I'm gonna be making a tiny little bow. Like that. Then making another piece for it. Then doing another piece. So that's how my Nom Nom looks so far. All these colors I'm using, guys, you don't really have to do the same exact colors. I'm just I like these colors. And I think black is good for the eyes. Gonna make little dots for the eyes, very tiny dots. Then you're gonna put the eyes on, like that. Then I want the nose a different color. I'm gonna use this orangey color. And I'm gonna put it right there. And that's how you make a Nom Nom. I'll show you what it looks like. That's what my Nom Nom looks like. Now like and subscribe to my channel, Gummy Bear. Bye.